Hi, boys and girls. Since we've been talking about transportation, I thought it'd be fun to hear about some big trucks. This story is called Big Trucks. Trucks come in all shapes and sizes. Some are small, some are medium-sized, some are big, and some trucks are very big. This is an off-road dump truck. It is so big it can't travel on regular roads. When it is needed at a workplace, it must first be taken apart. Then the parts get carried to the worksite on another truck. An off-road dump truck is used in places where roads and houses are built. It can carry very heavy loads of dirt and rocks. When the back of the dump truck lifts up, everything slides out. Its huge wheels are sometimes higher than the ceiling of a room. The truck driver has to climb up a ladder to get to the driver's seat. Look out when this vehicle dumps its load. Kaboom! A logging truck is used in forests to carry logs. Logs are cut from tree trunks. Then, a large crane loads up the heavy logs. The crane looks like two giant metal claws lifting the logs onto the truck. Some logging trucks even have their own cranes built right into the truck. This big truck is a flatbed truck. There are no sides on a flatbed truck. Strong chains and metal rods keep the logs from rolling off the truck onto the road. A logging truck hauls logs from deep in a forest to places where they are cut into smaller pieces. It can be quite an adventure for the driver when she goes up and down mountain roads hauling such a gigantic load. The chains rattle as the driver goes around the curves. Clink, jangle. A car carrier hauls new cars. It takes the cars from the factory where they are made to a place where the cars will be sold. This big truck has many wheels to move its tremendous load of cars. Can you count the wheels on the truck? How many cars do you see on the truck? The drivers of car carriers must have special training. They need to know the correct way to load the cars. Loading so many cars on the carrier can be tricky. Each car has a separate deck that is raised and tilted. A computer sometimes tells the drivers in what order they should load the cars on their trucks. Does it look like the cars might slide off? No need to worry. The cars are carefully attached to this big truck. Then it travels safely down the highway. Rumble, rumble. It's hard to travel during winter snowstorms. How will cars and trucks move on the roads? A snowplow will come to the rescue. When roads are covered with snow, they can be dangerous, so a snowplow goes out to work. This big truck clears the roads so that other vehicles can get through. Its massive blade pushes the heavy snow off the road. And to make the roads less slippery, the snowplow spreads salt or sand. During some snowstorms, you might see a whole row of snowplows working together. Or you might see a snowblower. A snowblower has a spinning drum that picks up snow and blows it out to the side of the road in a big spray. Roads are much safer for other vehicles after the snowplow passes by. Swoosh, swoosh. I hope you enjoyed this story about big trucks. Thanks for joining.